to our channel. In today's adventure, we are off to Atlantic City to celebrate this one's birthday.
Our birthday.
Our
birthday.
My birthday was last week.
Our birthday.
And I mean, it is my birthday month, technically. But,
So it's your birthday.
but tomorrow's his birthday, so we're gonna celebrate him.
We're celebrating our birthday.
And then we can celebrate me for the rest of them. But yeah, we are off to Atlantic City. It is my very first time going to Atlantic City. So I'm really excited. It seems very fun from what I've seen on like Instagram and whatnot. But he's been there multiple times before when he was way younger, when he was, you know, a young boy. But now we are going and we're going to be spending 4 nights there. We might possibly do some other excursions a little bit outside of Atlantic City, but we don't know yet. This is a very him trip with very little planning, because you know me, I gotta plan everything to the T. But this trip we're gonna just be like c'est la vie and see where the weekend takes us. We're here. We made it to Atlantic City. So we just checked into our room. The check-in process was a little longer than expected, but all is well. We are in our room. We did opt for the early check-in. It was a small fee of $15, and we valeted our car. And it's a great deal. For $25, you could valet for the entire 4 days we're there, in and out. But this is the room. It is, it's a pretty nice room. We just checked into our hotel room. We kind of got settled in, rested our feet for a little bit, and now we're just walking around exploring the hotel, see what kind of restaurants and what kind of stuff they have. So this literally reminds me of Vegas. I was just in Vegas like 2 months ago, or like a month and a half ago, and this is pretty much it. I feel like Atlantic City is just like a toned down version of Vegas, like very much so toned down.
What?
I was just saying Atlantic City is a toned down version of Vegas. Just saying that. Okay guys, so we are at Tropicana. Took the afternoon to just explore Harrah's resort, and we went for a little drive to check out the strip because we are staying a little bit further away from it. But we came to check it out because we have reservations for the comedy club at 8 o'clock. But we're gonna just grab a bite to eat and then see where the evening takes us. So come along. Okay guys, this place is very good. The food, you can tell we are devouring it, and the drink, how's the drink? Yeah, I got a spicy margarita. I was afraid it was going to be too spicy, but it's perfect. The calamari is spot on. And even the ceviche need a little extra flavoring, but easy fix. The portions are very generous and it's so good. We don't have enough time to order more food. Hopefully, we can come back another time or maybe after the comedy club because I want those tacos. It looks so good.